Okay, so the question is I want to start content creation, but I am confused if I should start in English or Urdu. I am more comfortable in Urdu, but I'd want to attract international clients then. So do you think is Urdu scalable, or should I work on my English accent instead? Like the thing is you have to understand that there's ways you can attract your ICP. If your ICP speaks Urdu, then Urdu would be your go-to language. If your ICP speaks English, then English would be your go-to language. If your ICP speaks Romanian, then Romanian would be your go-to language. So you have to first understand the fact that आपकी ICP क्या है and आपकी ICP कौन सा content consume करती है. So that's the first. And the second thing is that let's say your ICP is in Pakistan और आपकी जो ICP है वो पाकिस्तान के अंदर ही रहती है. Then it's completely fine even if you were to just go with Urdu as well, because Urdu के अंदर you would be able to attract पूरा पाकिस्तान almost, except for the people के जो बिल्कुल ही उर्दू नहीं बोलते. So in that particular case you might not be well off with just speaking in Urdu. You might need to incorporate other languages like English, because English is a universal language and almost everyone understands it. However, the majority of the time अगर आपकी ICP पाकिस्तान के अंदर है तो Urdu is completely fine. With content, it's all about being relatable and being easy to understand, because people buy from people they like. So you have to understand that concept, because if you are selling to someone जिसको जो आपको समझ ही नहीं सकता, जो आपको understand ही नहीं कर सकता, then you will never ever be able to actually convert those deals into paying customers, because like they cannot relate with you. So you have to show your imperfections. अगर आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती और आपका काम ऐसा जो स्किल बेस्ड है उसमें लैंग्वेज से फर्क नहीं पड़ता as such, but it's more around services के जिसके थ्रू you can save people time, so you can speak in Urdu. That's completely fine. Like it's not gonna have an impact on like attracting ICP from Pakistan. हाँ, however पाकिस्तान से बाहर you should definitely have your like content in English, because then आपकी ICP is speaking English now. So if your ICP is speaking English, then you have to speak in English as well, because you have to look like your ICP, talk like your ICP, dress like your ICP, and then and only then will you be able to really attract your ICP and convert them into paying customers. So that is how the whole content वाला system works. I hope मैंने आपको breakdown दे दिया कि कब आपने क्या करना है. So now you'll be able to very easily just like double down on this. And जहाँ तक बात रही ना कि should I work on my English accent? देखो, accent is not the problem. The main thing is कि you just need to have enough confidence that you're able to communicate with your prospect. If you're able to communicate with your prospect, that's completely fine, and that's all you need. You don't need any fancy accent. You don't need any particular type of like no accent whatsoever. All you need is just the confidence to speak to your prospect, and then and only then will you be able to convert them as paying customers. That's the whole goal here. So just have enough confidence कि आप उससे बात कर सको. He or she will pay you, and that is exactly how you should go about this. Very simple strategy. Don't overthink it. Just go with it.